What is arthroscopic Bankarts repair? Friends, if you have got a antero-inferior glenoid labral tear because of the shoulder dislocation, anterior shoulder dislocation, which is happening for example, maybe more than 10 times, 20 times. So, without any bone loss. So then, after careful examination of the patient and getting appropriate investigations done, we do the Bankarts repair arthroscopically. So we put anchors into the glenoid labrum. We take bites through the, we put anchors into the glenoid bone. We take bites through the glenoid labrum. Then we tie the labrum to the bone. This is what we basically do arthroscopically.